Welcome back, guys. Crypto Follow channel. Today we'd like to talk about JUP USDT trading pair with my customer set on the Binance. Let's dive in. All right, guys. So this is a chart on a Binance. So what we track if this was a real bottom. So top in April 24, bottom in April 25. So 1 year, 365 days down. So impulse, sideways impulse. Now we consolidate again. And if we crash based on this fee, we can crash to 2 cents. I don't think so. It will happen, right? So just be real. Right? Last time when I posted the update for you, it was the August 25, and we count potential gains. And it's more than real gains, for Jupiter to reach $4.34, 2.61 when all Solana ecosystem will pump. I guess the JUP can hit 280, 434. Maybe the $4.34 will be the top of the stock, and we can't know at the moment. And now we drop a little bit lower. So from current prices, it can be like potential almost over than 8x. So nice one. Pretty good gains. If we double check, guys, with initiation accumulation pump model, I guess this fee here still relevant. You remember we track this token since this token exists on a Binance, and now, like you can see, even after the almost 2 years, so January 24, listed on the Binance, and here we test 0.5. So guys, once again, never say never, test it again, and test at 38 level by fee. So based on this fee, you remember that drop, this is okay zone to buy, this is the best one. So guys, highly recommend you go and check the first video about Jupiter. So you'll be surprised, I hope you will be satisfied how this model works perfectly well, and you can track the tokens even for the years, because ENS, Ethereum Name Service, the token still on that relevant zones of support since Zone 21. So highly recommend you use this model totally for free educational video on my channel. So the best case scenario, guys, is just consolidation in the range 42.51. So I hope we will not drop to 34.27 again, because if we will, million times explaining to you again, this cycle can be extended in time till March, April, May 2026. Of course, I would be more than happy to see the uptrend move from now, October, November, December, January. Because people so tired to watch all of this sideways moves on altcoins. If we double check on a weekly time frame with the indicator set ADZ in the middle, so this is not a bullish, not a bearish. Monthly time frame, we also in the middle, not a bullish, not a bearish, just neutral. Daily time frame, ADZ just neutral, so nothing. All right, based on direction, here was a signal to sell, we dump it. In June 25, now we just stay on the just sideways, nothing special. Weekly time frame, also nothing. No signal to sell or buy. All eyes now on BTC dominance. So if you want to buy now, for example, it's up to you. Of course, based on this model, the zone to buy was here, 34 cents, 27, 16, 11. So if you feel comfortable to buy now, you can buy here. After that, for example, 27 and 16. Your average entry will be 27. So just in case, you build a plan, right? If you want to open trade, now the zone of fixation is here, swing trades. Next step is here, $1.05. And I believe the Jupiter we're going to hit the new all-time high. So I believe in it. It's not because I'm a fan of Jupiter. I'm not even buying this token, but I think that Sol will go to new all-time high. I'm not sure about the hype again with the meme coin sector. Maybe this cycle different. So usually the cycle ended with the meme coin sector pumps, and now meme coins already pump it, because a lot of Pepe, Bonk, Boom, I don't know, Toshi, even the Toshi, Turbo pump it. A lot of meme coins pump it. That's why I don't think so. This cycle will end with the meme coins mania again. Market mood, we're in disbelief. It's a good one. It's good time to buy. Because all this same period, it's accumulation. And we are here since February 25. over than half year in accumulation, so it's good. Monthly, still aphoria. So this is what I don't like. But of course, it's a monthly time frame. Daily. So yes, once again, if we drop, guys, the next step is here, 42.35. I don't think so we're going to drop. I think we will trade in this consolidation range. Based on the market mode on the daily, it's optimism. Optimism on the market, some hopium about JUP. Money power, daily, no money inflow. Last time money inflow was here in August, so need to wait again, money inflow. Weekly, also no bullish signs, so we just trade over the middle line, but without any new money inflow. It's kind of bad. This is a RSI bullish divergence. It was in June, now nothing. Monthly, we closed to the bottom, then to the top. So definitely, if we talk about out of the repeater or accumulate step by step, if you believe in this project, of course, we could choose the second option. Take a look at the last two indicators, guys. I would like to show you that trade on the weekly, no data, daily. Daily. Here, buy, sell, buy back, sell, only buy back signal. That's why soon I hope we will see this signal take profit from the sell, like it was here last time. Sell, money back, take profit, buy. So I wish to see from that sell, maybe something like this, money back, pump. And the last indicator will show us the more than okay zones to buy on the daily here. This is a buy line 33.72. Yes, guys, unfortunately, we can drop and test it. Weekly time frame. Finally, like you can see only now, just the first week, like this lines exist because it's finally more enough data to double check this indicator on the weekly. And like you can see, we are inside the range. So it's a buy line, good time to buy like investments, and the fundamental value 38.98. So we are in a good zone. Take profit line now, like you can see, it's $1.02, exit line $1.16. So my take is, I believe we will see the new all-time high. Nobody knows the timing when. Now it's okay time for accumulation. If you want to buy, the best zone to buy, of course, it's a test of the 0.5 and the buy line again, but I'm not sure we will see these lines. 12 time frame also here. On the 12 time frame, by the way, we saw the signal to buy. Here's a take buy line at 32.87, fundamental value 24.48, take profit 65.38, exit line 73.95. So now we're just in the middle. All eyes on the BTC dominance. I hope the BTC will go into some correction or the sideway, and alt will perform October, November. Zone where to buy back. Jupiter, you saw it on this video. This is going to be the swing trades where more than okay to fix and withdraw initial deposit. So 46, for example, you buy at 50 cents, at $1, you withdraw initial deposit. With the free tokens, you ride to the new all-time high. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment with your thoughts about the Jupiter. Do you believe in the new all-time high for this token or not? If you would like to trade as my customer, I would show it in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.